Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and online check-in in Cathay Pacific. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. So for the matter, the very first step would be simply going to your browser and typing in cathaypacific.com on top and getting into their official website. Once you're over here, you will be able to find this kind of interface with bunch of options. You can even choose to create your account and sign in on top first. Other than that, you can come down to the bottom here in this menu section. You can simply tap on at this check-in beside manage booking. Once you do the check-in, here you will have this option of Cathay member sign in, where you have to sign in first. As I mentioned before, sign in to manage all your booking under your Cathay account. You gotta enter your country or region code as it has shown over here. So it will be show all of the country that are available and it works at. And now go ahead, enter your mobile phone number afterwards once you have confirmed it. Now you gotta create yourself a password and you simply gotta sign in, right? Or if you scroll down to the bottom, you will also get an option of sign in with an email address or your membership number if you got one. Otherwise, you can over here, if you do not have an account, as I mentioned before, you can choose to tap on this now that a Cathay member, sign in, sign up and check in, or find booking as a guest. If you simply want to find a booking as a guest, you can tap on this as well. And now we can go on top and we gotta enter our first name, last name, our booking reference aka ticket number, and tap on this find my booking. Once we do that, we will be able to get ourselves checked in, and that is a simple way for you to do so. You can also do it as a guest, and it's better for you to create an account and so you can manage it afterwards as well. So this is a simple way for you to do so, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.